Let's see our next inequality. We have rational inequality. It means first we have to find the domain. So we have to check when this denominator will be 0. Let me copy the denominator. Will be x squared plus 6x plus 9 equal 0. We have quadratic equation. We can change the left side to the square of sum x plus 3 to the second power. Now, when this will be 0, when x plus 3 will be 0, so x equals negative 3. So we can write our domain will be all real numbers excluded negative 3. Now we can come back to our inequality. Let me copy this example. We have x squared minus 16, and in denominator I can put this expression because x squared plus 6x plus 9 is just x plus 3 to the second power. X plus 3 to second power must be less than or equal 0. So again we have fraction on the left side. But look, in denominator we have square. It means this expression will be always positive. So it means this inequality will be negative only when the numerator x squared minus 16 will be negative or equal 0. So we have to just solve only quadratic inequality. It means first we have to make the left side equal 0. So we have x squared minus 16 equal 0. So we can move negative 16 to the right side. We will have x squared equals 16. So x equals 4 or x equals negative 4. We have roots. Now we can draw number line x. We have to just place these roots. It's negative 4 and 4, and we cannot forget about our domain. We have to exclude negative 3. Is excluded, and because we have sign less than or equal, it means negative 4 is included and 4 is included. We have parabola because we have quadratic inequality, and because the coefficient before x squared is positive 1, it means the parabola is open up. We have to find the value less than 0. Less than 0, it means all values under our number line. This part is under, this is negative. So now we can just write our interval will be from negative 4 to 4, close of both sides, and we have to exclude our negative 3. And this is our solution.